Hello everyone, Jude here from Tech Office Software. In our tutorial today, we shall be learning 20 most useful Excel keyboard shortcuts that you should know. We'll start with the first one, which is Ctrl A. Ctrl A will highlight the whole spreadsheet data. And if you have a table, you should only select the table. You have to click twice to select the whole table and other data if you have other data that are outside the table. As you can see, we click the first time and it select the table, then we double click and it has to select the whole of the spreadsheet. Number 2 is Ctrl T. When you click Ctrl T, it will turn the selected areas of your spreadsheet to a table. We click Ctrl A to highlight, then we click Ctrl T, and Excel will ask us if we want to create a table, and it asks us if the table has a header. When we click OK, it will now create a table for us. As you can see, a table has been created for us. Ctrl plus C will copy anything you have highlighted in an Excel spreadsheet. As this place is already highlighted, we click Ctrl plus C, then that brings us to Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V will paste whatever you have copied. So we'll come to sheet 3 here and we paste it. As you can see, it has copied it. So that is it. Let's go back to sheet 2. Ctrl plus A will highlight, Ctrl plus C will copy, and Ctrl plus V will paste. Ctrl plus S. When you hold down the Ctrl key, then you click the letter S, it will automatically save your spreadsheet for you. That is, instead of going to the save icon here, or to go to file and select save, you just click the Ctrl plus S to save your data. Ctrl plus P. This will bring up the print option in Microsoft Excel. Then you select whether to print and the settings you want. Ctrl plus Spacebar will highlight the entire column. When we click in any column, we hold down the Ctrl key, click the spacebar, it will highlight the whole column and take us to the bottom of that column. Ctrl plus B. This will bold the selected area of your spreadsheet. We can notice that the last name has been selected. So when we click Ctrl plus B, it has bold that column for us. Shift plus spacebar. This will highlight the entire row. You put your cursor on the row you want to highlight, then you hold down the shift key and tap the spacebar and it will highlight the row. Ctrl plus End. When you hold down the shift key and tap the End key, it will take us to the bottom right of your spreadsheet. Ctrl plus Home. When you hold down the Ctrl key and tap the Home key, it will take you to the top left of the spreadsheet. Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow. This will highlight the entire column to the bottom of the data. Ctrl plus the Shift key plus the down arrow will highlight the entire column to the bottom line of that column. Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow will highlight to the right. Ctrl Shift, it will highlight to the right. Alt plus F1 will create a chart from the highlighted area of your spreadsheet. Alt plus F1. It has created a chart for us based on the highlighted area of our spreadsheet. Then from here you may decide to change the style of the chart. Ctrl ++. This will add a new column or row to your spreadsheet. Let's say we want to add a new column up here. We click the place we want to add a new column. We hold down the Shift key, click the spacebar. Then we'll click Ctrl + Shift ++. Ctrl + Shift key ++. And if we want to add a new column, we click the column we want to add something beside it. We hold down the Ctrl key, click the spacebar, then we hold down the Ctrl, Shift and plus key to add a new column to the spreadsheet. Alt += sign will autofill the answer for you in a selected cell. Let's say we want to get the answer for all the numbers here together. Having put our cursor on the row that contains total, we hold down the Alt key and then click the equals key, and it automatically gives us the answer, the total figure in that column. Ctrl + up arrow. This will take you to the top of the current spreadsheet column that you are working on. Ctrl + down arrow will take you to the bottom of the current spreadsheet column that you are working on. Ctrl +0. This will hide the column. Just click the column you want to hide, hold down the Ctrl key, tap the spacebar, then hold down the Ctrl key again and tap the 0, and it will hide it. Ctrl + page up. Ctrl + page up. This will move you from one spreadsheet to the next sheet in your worksheet. This is our worksheet. Our worksheet contains 3 spreadsheets. Instead of using your cursor to tap them one at a time when you want to change position, you use Ctrl + page up. And finally, our last keyboard shortcut for today is Ctrl + page down. It is the opposite of Ctrl + page up. When you want to go to the next spreadsheet within your worksheet, you hold down the Ctrl key and tap page down, and it will take you to the next spreadsheet and to the next within the same workbook. We have come to the end of this short tutorial today on the most useful Excel keyboard shortcuts you should know. There are much more. If you want me to create more tutorials on that, please put it on the comment section and I will create more tutorials on shortcuts in Excel. Remember, it is better to use the keyboard when using Excel and to use shortcuts to make things easier for you when using Excel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like this video if you have gotten some value from it. Watch out for our video every week. See you in the next video.